Back in the mists of time, LS2 produced an adventure riding helmet called the Pioneer. This is mine. It's 5 years old and has seen countless miles of trails around New Zealand. So it's time for an upgrade. And LS2 thought so as well. Introducing the LS2 Pioneer Evo. With a shell made from a proprietary blend of polycarbonate, space-age thermoplastics and additional materials specifically formulated by LS2, KPA, or kinetic polymer alloy, offers ultra-lightweight and high penetration resistance, but with some flexibility for the ultimate in energy dispersion. LS2 don't just make a couple of shells and fill the empty space with EPS and foam pads. The Pioneer Evo has a full range of shell sizes, and each shell size has its own unique EPS layer to ensure a good fit for more riders. The LS2 Pioneer Evo is what is known as a long oval shape, with removable and washable hypoallergenic foam liners. Another improvement of the Evo over its successor is the large chin curtain. When things get tough and you start to work hard, there's loads of ventilation in the Pioneer Evo, so keeping cool should be a breeze. On top of the full range of tinted and clear visors, there's an internal drop-down sunshade visor. As this is the second generation of the Pioneer helmet by LS2, they took on board feedback from users and made space in the helmet lining for speakers so you can easily install your Bluetooth communications kit. The result being, my Senna 50R fits the LS2 Pioneer Evo perfectly. Available from your local LS2 helmet stockist or online at bits4bikes.co.nz from just $259, the Pioneer Evo is all-day comfortable and is great protection at a budget-friendly price.